So the final lesson in this chapter is more application based. So when will you actually use this idea and area in real life? So the first one, you're going to retile the floor in your kitchen. Your kitchen is a rectangle of length 15 feet by width 12 feet. There's an island in the center that takes up 25% of the area of the floor. How many square feet are you going to have to tile? So you can kind of think about this as two ways. You can either approach it as saying, in general, it's rectangular, so it's A equals LW. So you are going to have 15 times 12, which will give you 180 square feet. So you can either think about the tiling as the island one of two ways. You can say, all right, it is 25%, so 0.25 of the 180. So if you're doing it that way, you're going to get 45 square feet is island. So the amount that we're tiling is 180 square feet minus 45, which is going to give you 135 square feet. Or if you know that the island takes up 25%, you're going to tile around the island, so you're only going to be tiling 75% of the area, which is going to give you 135 square feet right away. So those are kind of two ways of thinking about this part of the problem. The next part, you're going to tile with 1 square foot tiles, which means for every square foot that you need one tile. So we need 135 tiles here. The tiles are sold in packages of 20 for a cost of $28.99. How much will it cost you to retile your kitchen? So we're going to need 135 tiles. Divide by 20 to figure out how many packs we're actually going to need, and our exact answer is going to be 6.75 boxes. When we go to the store, though, we're going to actually have to purchase 7 boxes, and they're $28.99 each. So I'm going to take 7 boxes and multiply by $28.99. Get $202.93 then. In example number 2, Mrs. Grabner has a garden that surrounds part of her patio in her backyard as shown in the picture. So you can see the outline of the garden here. She is going to mulch the garden this spring. Each bag of mulch will cover 3 square feet of her garden. She knows she can spread a bag of mulch in 15 minutes. How long will it take her to mulch the garden? So if we kind of break this up, I'm going to break it here. This is a 3 by 3, so this is 9 square feet right here. And this is 2 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this would be 14 square feet. So altogether, my garden is 9 plus 14, or 23 square feet. So every bag of mulch is going to cover 3 square feet. So if I do 23 square feet divided by 3, I'm going to get 7.6 repeating, which tells me I'm going to need 8 bags of mulch. And I can spread a bag, so 1 bag takes me 15 minutes. I want to know 8 bags will take me X minutes. So X equals 120 minutes, which would also be, if you think about it, there's 60 minutes in an hour, so this would be 2 hours to be able to spread the mulch in my garden. The next part, Mrs. Jacoby's backyard, is in the shape of a parallelogram. She's going to spread grass seed with fertilizer this spring so that the lawn is nice for her kids to play on it. She can spread the seed at a rate of 7,500 square feet per hour. How long will it take her to spread the grass seed? So we first have to figure out the area of our parallelogram. So base times height, which is 120, times 150. That's going to give us 18,000 square feet then. So she can spread 7,500 square feet in 1 hour. So we're going to be spreading 18,000 square feet in X hours. we're going to have 7,500x equals 18,000. So to get x alone, we're going to have to divide by 7,500. Whoops. Sorry about that. And we get 2.4 hours for her to actually be able to spread all that grass seed then. In the last example 4, Mrs. Hartzman was playing a game with her students. She told them to calculate the area of the circle that contained an odd number. How could her students work to accomplish this task? So first of all, odd numbers would be here, here, and here. So we know that that's 3 out of the 5 parts. So what we could do is, if we know the radius, we could calculate the area of the whole circle. And then multiply that by 3/5, since we only want the 3 out of the 5 parts of the circle.